This is an automated beveling system, which is used to prepare sheets for welding by grinding a 45-degree bevel on the underside of the sheet on both edges. The system will unstack the sheets one by one, bevel the underside, and then restack them on the outfeed of the system. The sheets are then taken by the customer and welded on edge to each other for the skin of a fuel tank. The system can accept a wide range of sheet widths and lengths and stacks up to 7 sheets tall. The system uses an end-of-arm tool that has an array of magnets and LVDT sensors. Using the sensors, we can detect hole locations in the sheets and activate corresponding magnets based on what we read with the sensors. The best feature about this is that it takes limited operator involvement. All they need to do is enter the number of sheets in a stack and the gauge thickness of those sheets. From there, the system is fully automated.